Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, how are you? These two triggers are key to profitably trading Terra's Luna price. Luna price sliced through the previous swing low at $1.60, but recovered quickly, hinting at a potential scalp setup. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba. Please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Investors can expect Terra bulls to trigger a 15% run-up if certain conditions are met. A 4-hour candlestick close below $1.60 will invalidate this bullish outlook. Luna price shows an interesting outlook, which suggests an opportunity for traders to scalp the next move. However, certain conditions need to be met for Terra bulls to trigger a run-up. Luna price ready for a quick bounce. Luna price has dropped 40% after retesting a declining trendline for the third time. This move pushed the altcoin to sweep below the June 18th swing low at $1.60 to produce a lower low at $1.46. There are two things to note here. The pullback collected liquidity resting below the June 18th swing low but managed to produce a 4-hour candlestick close above it. This development indicates that the buyers are in control. Therefore, traders can take advantage of the next move, which is likely going to be a swift recovery above the $1.94 hurdle, followed by a bounce. In addition to the first trigger, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, has dipped below 30, the oversold zone, and is recovering. The last time a series of such events occurred was on June 18th, and it caused Luna price to rally 73% in under 10 days. Since the aforementioned triggers are seen again, investors can expect Luna price to trigger a quick 15% run-up to retest the declining trendline at roughly $2.23. In a highly bullish case, this move could extend the rally to $2.80 to collect the liquidity resting above equal highs. Such a rally would constitute a 45% ascent for Luna price from the $1.94 level. Terra's Luna price hits target 1, should the bears hold or reverse? Terra's Luna price briefly falls below the June 18th swing low at $1.61. Luna price accomplishes last week's bearish trade setup for a 30% decline. Invalidation of the bearish trend remains a breach above $2.78. Terra's Luna price accomplishes the short-term bearish trade setup written on July 6. It is best to take profit as market conditions could get volatile. Luna price hits target 1. Terra's Luna price could continue falling, but at the current time, placing an entry is ill-advised. It was mentioned in last week's bearish thesis that the Luna price was setting up for a 1-to-1 trade setup targeting the June 18th swing lows at $1.61. The prophesized 30% decline from $2.17 took place shortly after the thesis was posted and was fully actualized on July 12 as the bears forged a new low at $1.48. Terra's Luna price currently trades at $1.72. The bears have established a bullish hammer candlestick on the 6-hour chart. There is no reason to believe in a macro count for the Luna price, but the bulls could reroute towards last week's entry level to liquidate any traders who may have moved their risk to break even. The network has been renamed Terra Classic, and its native token now has the LUNC ticker, while a new iteration has adopted the Terra name and Luna ticker. It has yet to gain much traction or confidence as the crypto bear market deepens. After Terra's fall to earth, get ready for the stablecoin era. Did May's algorithmic stablecoin crashes kill the concept, or is there still a role for fiat-pegged cryptocurrencies? Stablecoins were supposed to be the boring uncle of the crypto world, safe, sensible and dull. They're probably not what Satoshi Nakamoto had in mind, but they're supposed to be a reassuring haven of calm and utility away from the turbulence of pure-play cryptocurrencies. With values pegged to fiat currencies, stablecoins were intended to be useful rather than to offer get-rich-quick schemes. They play an important role in the cryptocurrency ecosystem by providing a safer place to store capital without having to cash out entirely, and allowing assets to be denominated in fiat currencies rather than volatile tokens. However, events in May demonstrated that crypto stability is still elusive. With governments slow to react, Terra's Luna token, which has since been renamed Luna Classic, dropped to close to zero in value, wiping out $60 billion along the way. The obvious conclusion would be that the stablecoin experiment has failed, but I believe Terra's fall to earth is the precursor to a new era where stablecoins will become established. Accepted and beneficial components of the global economic system. And the regulation that is only now dropping into place already looks well past its sell-by date. Not all stablecoins were born equal. If that seems unlikely right now, the failure of a few stablecoins does not write off the entire concept. Other stablecoins have been constructed on solid ground and are performing as expected. What's happening is a clear out of the algorithmic stablecoins. These are coins that were never fit for purpose because they were built on insecure foundations. There were always critics. Some called out Terra as a Ponzi scheme and argued that it, and other algorithmics, would only hold value if more and more people bought them. Algorithmic stablecoins are unregulated and not backed by equivalent amounts of the underlying fiat currency, or by anything, for that matter. Instead, they deploy smart contracts to create or destroy the available supply of tokens to adjust the price. It's a system that worked, backed up by an artificially high interest-paying mechanism called Anchor, while enough people believed in it. Once that trust started to evaporate in early May, the floodgates opened in a classic, old-world bank run. The move started during U.S. trading hours on Thursday as equities rallied strongly, and the risk-on theme dominated in several asset classes. Now sentiment has changed, Luna price has pulled back and there is a risk of a full collapse back to 0.97 for a loss of over 10%. Luna price at risk of paring back incurred gains from Thursday. Terra price has been printing solid gains since the start of July, with a gain of over 17% booked in total. Thus far, the good news for Luna price action is that it was in dire need of some relief after the battering it took in the first half year of 2022. Wyatt expressed his delight to welcome the newcomers in a Twitter post. "We are working closely with a variety of Terra projects to help them migrate over swiftly to Polygon. We will be putting capital and resources against these migrations to welcome the developers and their respective communities to our platform. We will be sharing more soon," the CEO wrote on Twitter. Some of the high-profile projects to have moved to Polygon are the Luniverse Metaverse platform, the One Planet NFT marketplace, and the Derby Stars Play-to-Earn (P2E) game. Polygon has proven to be a more favorable choice for Terra projects than the alternative VeChain, despite VeChain openly inviting Terra developers to apply for a grant. One Planet is an NFT ecosystem that was primarily built for Terra. After acclimating to its migration to Polygon, it has become a platform dedicated to assisting NFT projects in their move from Terra with its ARC*1 initiative. As stated in the platform's official blog post, One Planet partnered with Polygon to become a dedicated marketplace for all Terra NFT projects migrating to the Polygon ecosystem. Taking into consideration the key factors such as mass adoption, market opportunities, stability and foundation-level support, we found that Polygon is currently the most prominent chain with so many big projects and entities onboarding, the statement read. The platform aims to be the premier Polygon native launchpad and marketplace in the Polygon NFT ecosystem. Over the coming months, One Planet has promised to support the soft landing of ex-Terra NFT projects. In a few weeks, current holders of Terra NFT projects are expected to be able to migrate and list their NFTs on the new One Planet marketplace on the Polygon blockchain. The need for the Great Migration started as the colossal Terra blockchain collapsed, which started when its Terra USD stablecoin lost its peg, causing the chain's native Luna token to crash in value by nearly 100% in turn. The implosion wiped out billions worth of investors' funds worldwide, the effects of which are still being felt across the entire crypto market. Terra's CEO Du Quan is now under multiple investigations of alleged fraud regarding the failed Terra project, the One Planet NFT marketplace, and the Derby Stars Play-to-Earn game. One Planet has been instrumental in helping other NFT projects migrate to Polygon. It has become a platform dedicated to assisting NFT projects from Terra with its ARC*1 initiative. OnePlanet's July 9 blog post outlines how ARC*1 has helped a total of 48 NFT projects, encompassing 90 NFT collections, port over to Polygon. This represents a large proportion of Terra projects, including some that did not launch on One Planet before the cataclysmic DePeg event. Since June 15, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.